morning, everyone. Stavros here from RPM Auto Reviews. This morning I'm finally on my way to the drag strip. Very excited. And we'll be doing some quarter-mile runs in my Kia Stinger GT Limited. Alright, there's the beast. I'm number 57. Okay, I'm going against the Z06, which I'm going to lose, but it should be fun. That's blowing me away. Look at him go. And then this second one was 13.229. So basically it's 13.3. All right. It's an okay start. That's gonna pass me for sure. Here it comes. Oh,
You're gonna be happy with this one.
oh yeah. I got a good jump on him, but of course he blew me. 13.3. Let you know what my two best times were, if I can get them out here in time, not to waste recordings. Without further delay, my best time was 12.954 with sport mode and using the brake system. Second best was 12.965. So only 0.006 difference, right? Again, who knows if I did it 100% exactly the same way, but that's not. All right, there's the beast. I'm number 57.